loves, you're doing great. Let me sneak through. It's so nice. Heaps. 7. Good girl. Before we start singing, if you go with Mrs. Tabor, please carefully stand up. Walk on over. I believe you have 6. Well, maybe it's just 5 because you lost Caleb. Chelsea or Bridget, you have a seat, sweetheart. You don't go with them. Oh, you do have 6. Yep. All right. My loves, let me move you closer now. Mitchell and Karina at home. There we go. All right. Bridget, can you tell us one more time? How many days are in a week, babe? 7. Sing with me, my sweets. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Nice singing. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Nice singing. If yesterday was Monday, what day comes after Monday? What comes after Monday, Tamia? Tuesday. My turn first. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Good job. T-U. E-S. D-A-Y. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. I love your little voices. That was great. How many months? Oh, my stuff's falling off. How many months are there in a year? Jaden. 12. Stand carefully. Bridget, can you stand so carefully? Jaden, you too. Jaden, how would you like to sing today, sweetheart? Slow motion. Sing with me. Ready? Set. Go. January. April. May. Good job. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Those are the months of the year. You guys can have a seat. You guys did great. It's really fun when we don't have to wear masks one day again and you guys sing that slow motion. You can make your face like January. You can make your face look silly. It's fun. All right, my sweets. We are still in the month of March. You have a birthday tomorrow. Whose birthday is it tomorrow? Jaden. So Jaden, we got to talk about today so we can get to tomorrow. If yesterday was March 22nd, what number comes after March 22nd? Ryan. 24. Nope, not 24. That would be tomorrow, his birthday. No, look, what number is this? A 2 and a 1 makes 20. 21, 22. 23. Ryan, what does 23 look like, sweetie? Hold on, sweetheart. Ryan. Yes, and what shape comes after one parallelogram? No, not yet. Another parallelogram. You got it. Come on up. All right. I'm going to have either Chelsea or Bridget write my date today and tomorrow so I can take your picture and send it to your mom. Chelsea, who would like to, which one take the date for me today? Chelsea, you want to go first? And Bridget, you can go tomorrow, okay? Chelsea, you can grab one of these little black markers, sweetheart. So good for you to be here. Would you like help or do you want to do it all by yourself, sweet girl? All right, she knows how to do this. Oh, she even has neat handwriting. She was watching so carefully from home before. Good job, Chelsea. I love your teacher eyes watching her neat work. She's doing great. Good girl. Then after your month, then you need to write your, oh, and she's doing it. She knows right where to go. Ooh, her date looks great. Let me get my phone so I can take a picture and send it to her mama. Awesome. Chels, can you scooch over just a little bit? All right, smile at me, babe. You did great. I'm going to send that to mom and grandma. Awesome. Boys and girls, say, way to go, Chelsea. Way to go, Chelsea. Look at, she didn't even need any help. She just knew her 23, her comma, and her year. High five, babe. You did great. All right, my loves, let's read this super neat date that Chelsea just wrote. Holy moly, she did great. Is this backwards? No, that's the right way. Okay, just making sure the kids at home can see the right way. Grab your pen microphones, go. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's day is March. Say 23rd. 23rd. Yeah, you guys kind of said like 21st or something. So tomorrow is Jaden's birthday. Huh. What number is this? Raise your hand. A 6 and a 4 makes. Raise your hand. What? 64. If that's 64, what number is this? Jaden. 63. Yes. And what number is this, Tamia? 62. 62. Count with me, my sweets. Ready? Set. Go. 64, 63, 62. Stop. How are we counting? Yeah. Let me show you. Here's the 60s. 64, 63, 62. How are we counting? Mason. Backwards just by 1. 64, 63, 62. I need somebody to come and finish for me. Let me pick a stick. I got lots of you still here on the carpet. DeAndre's not here. He went with Mrs. Tabor. Prince left too. Zaya left. Let's pick all the kids who weren't here. Nazir is here. All right, Nazir. We're counting backwards. 64, 63, 62. So right here, 64, 63, 62. Next would come 60. All right, sweetheart, right. 61. You need your 6 first. You put your 6 over here. It's okay. You can squish it in there. Oh, over here, babe. Your 6 goes over here, sweetie. You're going to squish it in there. Yep. Good. All right, so this is the tricky part. 64, 63, 62, 61. Now where do I go? I'm not going to go up here because that's 40s. Where am I going to go? Jordan. Not to 80, all the way back here to 60. Good girl. No, and I go all the way back there. 60, a 6 and a 0. So you're going to make your 6 first. Your 6 first, sweetie. That's a 9, you goof. Here, let me help you. All right. All right. Ryan, be nice. A 6 like this, sweetie. All right. 64, 63, 62. And, oh, what comes next? 59. 59, Chelsea. So you need to write a 5 first. Write a 5. Yep. And then your 9, sweetheart. Good job, Chelsea. Boys and girls, say thanks, Nazir. Thanks, Nazir. All right, counting backwards is tricky. High five, sweetheart. So we're going to start at the back and count up because then it should sound right. So start at 59 with me. Ready, set, go. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Awesome. I need a day in school helper. I put this one up because yesterday was a day in school, even though you weren't here. If yesterday was day 121, Adelia, what comes after 121? Yes, Sweetheart, what does 122 look like? Yeah, 100, and then you just need to write 22. So 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. You got it, my love. Come on up. Let me show the kids at home. 122. Nazir, I need you to scooch up into your square, babe, and pull your mask up. Awesome. I need a careful colorer. Hey, Jordan, you haven't colored for me in a long time, have you? Would you please color my 122nd square I colored yesterday? I know your coloring will look so nice. I need a day in school writer. Tamia, picked you, my sweet. Tamia, you're going to write 122, and then I'm going to ask you if it's even or odd. Sweetheart, you're blurting. Awesome, sweet pea. Now, so the last number is a 2. So, sweetheart, is 2 even or is 2 odd? 2 is even. So 122 is even. Thanks for underlining that last one. Yeah, there's 2 2s. You're right, sweetheart. 122. Chelsea and Bridget, you're doing great. Wow, Jordan. Nice, neat coloring. 1 full 100 up to that red line. 1 full 100, 110, 120, 121, 122. You guys rock. I need a clock helper before we do coins. And my clock helper, Mason. Mason, I want you to show 7:30, 7:30. 7:30, and I need someone to come and write 7:30. Jaden, would you come write 7:30 for me, please, babe? 7:30. Good job, Mason. And then your little hand goes where, sweetheart? Your big hand goes down to the? Yep. And then your little hand, 7:30. It's going to go between the? Yes, my love, the 7 and the 8. Good job. Awesome. Boys and girls, say thanks, Mason.
Thanks, Mason.
Boys and girls, say great job, Jaden.
Great job, Jaden.
He did do great. All right. Jaden, you can put your marker back. Thanks, sweetheart. Give me a high five. You did great. Let me show the kids at home. 7:30. So in between the 7 and the 8. Big hands down to the 6. Boys and girls, if he had put, Ryan and Nazir, if he had put the little hand on 7, would he have been right? Because as the big hand moves, the little hand moves too. So it needs to be between the 7 and the 8. 7:30. We're halfway around for the big hand, and the little hand is going past the 7, almost to the 8. You guys got it. 7:30 is when the school doors open. That's when you guys can come in and have breakfast. And then when it gets to be 8 o'clock, that's when we start Bible lesson. All right. Jaden wrote 7:30. Ryan, come on up, sweetie. Ryan, what coin do we count first, my love? Dimes. Why do we count the dimes, sweetie? They are. How many dimes do you see? No, those are pennies. 5. Can you draw 5 dimes for me? I need you to sit up, sweetie, so I don't step on your hands. Good job. Yep. Awesome, sweetheart. How much is a dime?
10 cents.
Yes. Can you write a 10 on top for me, please? Good job, Brian. Bridget, can you count how many pennies are in there for him? All right, how many pennies should he draw? 3. Can you draw 3? Thanks, Bridget. How much is a penny worth, sweetie?
1 cent.
All right, can you write a 1 on top? Good job, Ryan. And then, sweetheart, can you draw your line right here in the middle for me? Perfect. My love, do you want to help you count by 10s and 1s, or do you want to try it all by yourself? All right, can you step over to the side, sweetheart, so we can all see and we'll help you. Count with him. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, switch. 51, 52, 53. Sweetheart, do you know how to write 53? What number do you need first for 50? Sounds like we're saying the number 50. Sounds like you're going to say the number, not 4. Close. Next one. 5. So you need a 5 first. Yes, you got it. And you can't forget your... You got it, babe. Boys and girls, say, way to go, Ryan.
Way to go, Ryan.
He did great. High five, sweetie. Thanks for your hard work. I need someone to count my tally marks for me. So I'm going to give you a chance to count them. My loves, look up here. Ryan, honey, just sit down in your square. How many tally marks do you see? Okay. What do you think, Chelsea? 15. Sorry, boys and girls at home, I lost you. Chelsea thinks 15. Adelia, how many do you think, babe? You think 13. Ooh, we're all right in there. Ryan, what do you think?
15.
15. What do you think, Nazir? 17. Okay. What do you think, Mason? 14. All right. My friend who's going to come up here is Chelsea. Would you come on up, babe? So before Chelsea writes the answer, let's count with her. Let's double check because we have lots of answers up here, don't we? Count with us. Count with Chelsea and I. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tally up. 10, 11, 12, 13. Girl, Chelsea. Boys and girls, say thanks, Chelsea. All right, I need a weather helper. Now, it's supposed to be nice today. If it's not too windy, I think we can go outside too. And the rest of the week, my phone said it's supposed to be raining. And we can't play outside when it's raining. My weather helper is the one, the only, Caleb's not here. The one, the only, Kylan's not here. The one, the only, Adele. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? I got 3 sticks in here, Bridget, Samir, and Jair. So tomorrow you guys will get a chance. Then I'll put all the sticks back in. What do you predict it's like up there? Nazir, I need your mask up. Before our weather helper tells us, what do you predict, Jaden?
I predict cloudy.
Great sentence. I predict it's cloudy. What do you predict, sweetie? Oh, I hope that it could be cloudy now and then the sun comes out later. That could be. Ryan, what do you predict? You
Look out the window.
You looked out the window on the way to school and it was cloudy? Yeah. All right. Well, Adelia, what's it like out there? It is. That sky is real gray today, isn't it? All right, let's sing Bummer. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. Woohoo! You do? I'm glad that you like them. Well, Cloudy's almost catching up, but my sweet girl, who still has the most? Yes, high five. Just one. You may have a seat, sweet girl. There's just one more sunny than cloudy. Awesome. My loves, you can stand in your squares. What should we count by first today? Let me ask our friends who have never been here before. Bridget, what would you like to count by, sweetheart? Would you like to count tens, evens, odds, or fives? Fives. Do you want to go to 50 or 100, sweetheart? Okay, here we go. Start at 0 with me. If I wave at you, you can wave back. Ready, set, go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Awesome job. Bridget, you can pick one of your friends to tell us what we should count by next. If you don't know their names, I can help you, sweetie. Who would you like to pick? Jordan, what should we count by next, babe? All of you are standing in your squares. You look great. You can pick evens, odds, or tens. We did fives already, sweetie. Odds. What should we do while we count our odd numbers? It's okay. It's okay. It happens. What do you want to do, sweetheart? Okay. You guys are going to have to stand on your tippy toes the whole time you're counting odd numbers. Look up here. Ready? Set. Stay in your square. Go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. Good job. You guys did great. That was. You did great. Hey, high five. That was a great idea. Yeah, some of you did really great balancing. We've never done that before. That was a fun one. Jordan, I want you to look at your friends' feet. Make sure they're standing in their square. Pick a friend to tell us what we should count by next. Chelsea, what would you like to count by next, sweetie? Tens or evens? All right, Miss Johnson's way or normal? All right, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Chelsea, you can pick one of your friends to tell us what's left. She already had a turn. You can pick Tamia, Nazir, Ryan, Mason, Adelia, or Jaden. Tamia, what would you like, babe? What's left? We did tens, odds, and fives. Evens. Sweet girl, what would you like to do while we count evens? Dance, however you want to dance, but make sure you're still counting. Ready, set, go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me hear ya. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Awesome. My loves, you may have a seat in your square. Boys and girls at home, I will see you at 9:24 reading. All right, my sweets. Jordan, you are my line leader.